Good afternoon, Ma'am Alice. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fauzia Rahmawati from Management 7th semester. Today, I would like to share a personal experience related to idiom got into hot water. This idiom means to get into trouble or face a difficult situation, usually because of a mistake or something that went wrong. Back into 2012, I started my very first job experience as a nurse at an acupuncture clinic. And at the same time, I was also responsible for taking care of the herbal medicines stored inside the clinic. It was my very experience learning about traditional drinks. And honestly, I was still quite new and I didn't know many things. But I'm very enthusiastic about that to learn because it was my very real job. Working there, it's very interesting but also challenging. Every day I met many customers that all came with different health problems. Some asked about acupuncture and some wanted to know more about the herbal drinks we sold. As a new employee, I tried my best to answer every question politely and professionally, but sometimes I didn't have enough knowledge yet. One day, a customer asked me about one of our herbal drinks. I tried to explain it as best as I could, but unfortunately, I gave the wrong explanation. My boss found out and got very upset to me. At the moment, I got into hot water and I was in trouble for making that mistake. I almost still remember how I felt that day. I was so embarrassed because it was my first time being scolded at work. I felt nervous, disappointed, and want to cry. But that the moment who taught me to be a stronger and more responsible. After that incident, I didn't want to repeat the same mistake. I realized that if I wanted to do my job well, I needed to improve myself, my knowledge and skills. So I started learning more about herbal medicines, such as ingredients, description, and also practice how to explain herbal products more clearly to customers and then improve myself. Sometimes I would even practice in front of mirror that I was talking to a real customer. Slowly but surely, my confidence began to grow. A few months later, my boss started to notice the change in me. He began to trust me again and even gave me more responsibilities. I was trusted to help with administration work, customer data management, and more other important tasks in the clinic. For that moment, I realized that hard work and consistency really do bring results. I continued working there for 6 years and I'm truly proud of that achievement. Throughout this year, I learned not only about herbal products and acupuncture, but also about communication, passion, and professionalism. I learned that in my any job, we will always face challenges, but those challenges help us to grow into better and stronger people. Looking back then, the time when I got into hot water was actually a valuable experience. It taught me that mistakes are not failures, there are lessons that help us improve ourselves. I believe that everyone will make mistakes at some point also, especially when starting a new experience. But what matters most is how we react to that mistake. Do we give up or do we use them as motivation to learn and do better next time? For me, that moment changed the way I see challenges at work. Now, whenever I face a difficult situation, I always remember that experience. Remind myself that even when the things go wrong, I can still it into something positive if I stay calm, humble, and willing to learn. So that is my story about the time I got into hot water at my first job. A simple mistake that turned into a meaningful life lesson. It taught me to be patient, disciplined, and professional, and it helped me build the foundation for my future career. Thank you for listening, Ma'am Alice. Have a great day.